I said to myself, if I swing the camera around, put on a different hat, everybody will think that it's a brand new day and a brand new video and a brand new backdrop. Like, this is what people do on TV and you all fucking fall for it. Here's one I made earlier and this one's just coming out of the oven and look at 12 full of shit. Bailey's coffee, but a different type of Bailey's coffee. Have a look at this. Empty glass, right? Exact same as the hot port. Empty glass and pour your hot water into it to heat up the glass. Tip, by the way, especially if you don't have a proper, what do you call them? Indoors? Strengthened? I don't know what the fuck you call them. Not indoors, gobshite. Strengthened glass to deal with the heat, right? Just put a good silver or steel spoon, stainless steel. I can't even fucking talk. Stainless is the hot port. Pour too big of a measure. Stainless steel spoon into your glass like that and let it get hot. Cream doesn't need to be whipped. Just keep shaking it. But here's the little twist we're going to put into it. A lovely little surprise, shall we say. Like the advent calendar. This is a great drink to have on Christmas Eve. Do you get the last thing on Christmas Eve? You do, don't you? The last present of the advent calendar. I better bring that back in. People think I'm doing something else. I might have some fella here beside me. I don't. I'm whipping cream. So, yeah, your advent calendar. Isn't this a lovely little twist to have on Christmas Eve? A Bailey's coffee. Everybody, I went in, I counted the bottles of Bailey's that I have inside. I have 4 bottles of Bailey's inside. Because every year I think I don't have any. And probably most years I don't drink any. Anyway, this year I said I'm doing it. Anyway, shaky. That's it. It doesn't need to be whipped. Just give it a good 40 or 50 shakes. Here's the twist. Now, for all the... Keep that now. Look. Recycling. I'll probably slip and break my hole on that later on. Perfect. Here's the twist. Or any chocolate you want. Right? And find one that is going to actually suit. So, I love Bounties. That's the great thing about these things, because everyone else hates them, so I always get a load of Bounties. But I have found this one, a Dairy Milk Caramel. Very fancy, you might say. Anyway, put in whatever chocolate you want. Drop it. You've seen enough shit of me. Drop it in to the bottom of your glass. Comme ça. Like that. That's French, you understand. Anyway, then what we do is we pour in our 1 measure of coffee. It's gas, right? Maybe that was 1, whatever. You put in as much coffee as you want. I actually don't drink coffee. I don't like it at all. Espressos, any of that kind of shit, don't like it at all. But I love a Bailey's coffee, which leads me to believe I'm clearly an alcoholic, because it's clearly the Baileys and the cream that I like. But this is fantastic. Anyway, put in a little bit of your hot water and just give it a second. Now, if you're not in Ireland and you can't get yourself a bottle of Bailey's, get a kind of just any kind of cream liqueur. Again, Mr. TikTok, this is not an advert. They don't pay me because apparently I'm too fucking controversial. Even though all the views I get on all my social media are fucking 10 times what these influencers get. But apparently I say meany, horrible things you shouldn't say. Anyway, who gives a shit? I do this for you. Actually, I do it for me. Just if you watch it, it's a bonus. So that goes into the bottom, and you can see, look, oh my lord, it's starting to melty already. I never thought of doing this before, but I saw the box on the table and I went, you know what, that'll be a bit different. Okay, so I've given that a chance to melt. A little bit more water. Again, like the hot port, make sure you pour in enough to taste it. See, I told you I had them, then it wasn't even open. And we pour in a generous, lovely. A generous, shite, I forgot my chocolates are great on top, and I couldn't be arsed to go get it. Put in a good measure of your Baileys. Now that'll cool down the drink a little bit, so we top it up with another little bit of hot water. Very fancy. Shaky. Stirry. Is there still a bit of a chocolate in? Oh, I can see the chocolate coming up in the glass. Look at that. You're so tempted just to eat that now. But wait, that goes into the bottom. Beautiful. Oh man, that is so freaking tasty. A bit more shaky of the cream. Now technically, and I'm probably going to make a bollocks of because I'm about to explain this to you, the cream is lighter than that. Does that make sense? Cream is lighter, yeah, or whatever. Probably lighter is not the right word, some scientific word for it. But cream in a Bailey's coffee normally floats more on top. Things to do with the sweetness, actually. That's why if you put in a load of sugar into your Irish coffee, the cream floats a little bit better. So it should float on top. But anyway, let's go in. Put your spoon down. You see what I'm doing? Put your spoon in and just go gently. Don't lash it in too fast. Please don't frickin' sink on me after me giving that whole hullabaloo story. Of course it doesn't sink. Look at that. Real time. Beautiful. Now, a lot of people whip it and put it on top because they're afraid it's going to sink. But as you can see, when you know what you're doing, you don't need to worry about that shit. Now, I forgot, as I said, I'll draw this up now, to get a little bit of, ideally, see, I told you, my head and hats, they don't fucking go, they're just not mates. Anyway, that there now is the perfect Bailey's coffee. If I had a little bit of sprinkling or freshly shaved chocolate on top, it would even be, it's actually fucking freezing. It's very, very cold. But this is a beautiful drink. Ladies, this one is for you. When your husband is inside, because he said, darling, I'll carve the turkey. And you just said to me, yeah, are you finished yet, love? And he'll say, darling, any chance you can come in here? Because I haven't a fucking clue what I'm doing. And just go, no. In fairness, or actually even better still, when you've done all the cooking, tell him, how's the cleaning up going? Darling, any chance of a hand? No, honey, fuck off. I did all the cooking. I'm enjoying my Bailey's coffee. Ladies, this one is for you. The real ladies, like the ones without the cocks. The old-fashioned ladies. Lovely Bailey's coffee. Delicious. Absolutely freaking. I might actually finish that one because that's really nice. I have a lot more videos to do. What do you think, guys? Are we all fixed for Christmas? Have you done any of my shit? Do you have your stuffing in the freezer? Have you done some of the canopies? There's a few more canopies coming out today. Have you seen the starters? Still dying with this freaking flu. And that Bailey's coffee, I know I love it for a reason. It's, if you've never had one of these before, trust me. And do you know what the funny thing is now? You'll have all these guys going, can you show us how to make a calypso coffee? Or, would you show us? If I made fucking 17 different coffees and left one out, they'd ask for that one to be done. No, it's whatever. It's the same thing. Just replace the alcohol with whatever you want. That's how you make your coffee. Calypso, Bailey's, brandy coffee, French coffee, Irish coffee, whatever fucking hell coffee you want. Just chuck in a shit or whatever and a bit of cream on top. Delicious. As for you ladies, while the hubby's in there cleaning up, have a good one.